In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variations in WooCommerce products. If you've ever wanted to offer your customers a variety of options, like different sizes, colors, or other qualities, this is the perfect way to do it. So, whether you're selling t-shirts with multiple color options or keeping things flexible with customizable features, stay tuned and we'll walk through the process step by step. Once you've logged into your WordPress dashboard, start by navigating to your WooCommerce products list. Choose the product you wish to edit or create a new one if it's a new listing. Now, when you're inside the product editor, you'll notice a drop-down labeled Product Data at the top section. This drop-down is crucial for setting up different types of products in WooCommerce. By default, it usually shows Simple Product. However, for our needs, you'll want to switch this to Variable Product. This change is fundamental because it allows you to configure a single product with multiple options, instead of setting up each option as a separate product. Next, let's move over to the Variations tab. You'll find this under the Product Data section, generally located in the left panel below the Attributes and General Settings. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to set the different variable options for your product. Here, you have two main routes you can take, depending on how many variations you want to create and how specific you want them to be. The first option is to create variations from all attributes. This feature is incredibly powerful if you prefer WooCommerce to quickly generate all the possible combinations for your product's variations. For instance, if you have a product with multiple sizes and colors, this option will automatically create a variation for each size and color combination. To do this, simply click the Go button next to the selection, and it will auto-generate all possible combinations for you. It's conveniently efficient when dealing with a large number of variations. On the other hand, if you only want to create very specific variations and avoid cluttering your database with unnecessary combinations, you can choose to add variations manually. This route gives you complete control, allowing you to selectively create combinations that you have in stock or plan to actively promote. You'll click the Add Variation button, then choose the specific attributes you want to combine. This method is especially ideal if you have limited quantities or exclusive options you'd like to offer. Whichever way you decide to go about it, remember to periodically save your work as you configure these settings to avoid losing any information to an unexpected error. It's also a great idea to preview your changes to see exactly what your customers will experience when they navigate your store. And there you have it. Creating variations in WooCommerce doesn't have to be complicated. Just a few adjustments, and you're ready to offer an interactive shopping experience. Make sure to explore each option and tailor it to match your business needs. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.